Gerald Ford blamed his farts on his Secret Service agents. Canada isn't the only place where politics and pant rippers have come together in an explosive way. When Gerald Ford, the 38th President of the United States, would let one rip, Hess said to have regularly blamed it on one of his Secret Service agents, very loudly saying things like "Jesus, was that you? Show some class." One boss got sued for allegedly farting too much. Greg Short was a supervisor at an engineering firm in Melbourne, Australia, that got sued by David Hingst, a former employee, who claimed that he was continually bullied by his boss, or, more specifically, his boss gassiness, during the year he worked for the company. Hingst claimed that between May 2008 and April 2009, Short would regularly amuse himself by coming into Short's windowless office, at which point he would lift his bum and fart. Hingst sued for $1.8 million Australian dollars in damages, equivalent to roughly 1.3 million United States dollars. While Short denied being a serial fart attacker, he did acknowledge it was possible that he had let a few go near Hingst. In any case, the courts sided with the company, deciding that hotboxing an office on occasion did not rise to the level of harassment. Hingst vowed to appeal. It's a bad idea to fart at the police in Germany. In 2016, when Berlin police asked a group of people to show them some identification, one man floated a pair of farts their way instead. The farter in question was fined €900 for disrespecting law enforcement and started what became known as the Crazy Toot trial, which required the participation of 23 law enforcement officials and prompted a huge debate over wasteful public spending. Farts can be visible in cold air. We've all heard stories or seen YouTube videos of people lighting a fart on fire. And yes, it's true that a lit flame and a gaseous toot can make for an explosive combination. But here's another fun science-y fart fact: if a person cuts the cheese in cold weather with their pants down, it would likely be visible in the. Your farts really do smell worse in the shower. The lack of clothing means there's nothing to absorb the smell, and being in the shower means you're in an enclosed space, so there's nowhere for that stink burger to go. Plus, there's some evidence that all that shower steam can actually enhance your sense of smell, which all adds up to one